Okay. I just took this out and I started, but I figured you'd see. You were asking me if they stick. You know, what do I put? I just put this right on the pan, and I have to go underneath, really, okay? And it sticks, but you see how it comes up in sheets. So I just take it and just flip it over. So I've already done these two, so that's 3. Okay, I can hold this now. Your pan may still be hot, and my kitchen's cold, so stuff cools off quite quickly. But I still have to put this back in to let it finish. So you see how it comes out in sheets. So let me do. Now the last time I did it, it was breaking up a lot, but I think because it wasn't as thick, I really laid it out thin last time. But, yeah. Just go on under. Okay, let me just flip this over, and I don't know if you can see, but there's not really too much left on the pan. So let me put it this way. Let me just move this, and I'm going to put it back in for the remainder of the time. I still have it at 275. I know they said lower it, but it worked last time, so I'm going to keep it at that because I like my stuff crispy. So, because I like chewy. Right? I'm going to put it back in the oven. I got about 15 more minutes left, and come out. When it comes out, I'll just let it cool, break it up, and then I put it in a container like this, okay? And I just leave it on the shelf. Again, my kitchen is cool to the point that it could be very cold because we don't have good insulation in here. So, just wanted to let you know. I know you were asking. Okay? Sorry for the noise. That's my dishwasher. Take care. Love you, sis. Bye-bye.